This time the quick speed shop. It's cold and windy out. I got the AA tow truck out, and I'm moving this granite curb over here. So I'm going to use the tow truck here. I'm going to use a boom on the back. I can use a chainfall, not a come along, use a chainfall on the boom and use that to pick the pieces of the curb up. But I don't have any carburetor on here because it's over on the Doodlebug over here behind you. The Doodlebug carburetor is giving me fits and the fuel valve doesn't hold, so it was leaking and draining out here. So this is the carburetor that usually goes on the tow truck. So I've been switching the carburetors back and forth depending on which one I got to use. And the last thing I parked here was the Doodlebug. So now I got to pull the carburetor back off this and put it over back on the tow truck. It only takes about 5 minutes to change this over. You just got 2 1/2-inch bolts to hold the carburetor to the intake manifold. And then 9/16, whoop, I'm going the wrong way. Then a 9/16 to the fuel line. Hook the choke rod back up and the throttle cable, or the throttle rod, and back in business. So it's nighttime right now and it's raining, as probably you can hear on the roof. I'm not going to fire this up now. Tomorrow morning I'll go and rearrange all this. I got to clear a path to get out, and we'll fire up the old tow truck and take her out to the trailer full of granite curb and see if we can unload it with a chainfall. Man, it got cold out in a hurry. So it's the next day. I got to fire up the Model A, fire up the Willys pickup, and get all these out of here. So let's see, we'll do some cold start action. Let's see if I get these things fired up and get them out of here. I think I can get the tow truck out here without moving this thing. That would be a lot easier for me. I'll let that warm up and I'll get the battery in the tow truck and then we'll see if that thing will fire up. Okay, here we go. I literally just hooked the battery up. You saw last night I put the carburetor on. I haven't touched this thing and it's about 38, 40 degrees out. Let's see if it'll fire. I'm guessing 3 revolutions and she's fired. Let's see what happens. Got gas in here. Might be almost out of gas. We'll see. Pull the choke. Here we go. Let's whirl her over. How about that? See if she'll go again. Okay, how I'm going to do this, I'm going to hook a chainfall up to the boom here, and I'm going to gonna use that and I'm gonna chainfall up and down over the trailer. So let me get my chainfall out and get some other action. We'll reconvene over at the trailer and we'll try to pick up this granite curve. Alright, what I gotta do now is get this granite up in the air a little bit. So I put this firewood under it. I can get this chain under here. So I'm not sure how heavy these pieces are, but they're probably multiple hundreds of pounds. Let's see if I can, oh yeah, just get it up enough to get the chain under. Now, hopefully, I can chainfall this enough to pick this up without getting killed. Let's see what happens. It's heavy. It's heavy. Real heavy. All right, there we go. I'm swinging free and clear. Get in there. Now let's see if I can drive these over. I'm gonna dump them near the edge of my property and stack them up side by side. Let me see if this is gonna work. It should. It should want to work, we'll see. Alright, I made it a spot where I'm going to set all these up. Let me see if I can get this thing to come down and set down here without killing me. What's going on here? Uh-oh. Go down. What in the world? Come on. That's up. What's wrong with down? Damn it. wasn't a lot more painful than it had to be. They're going to swap out this chainfall and get a little bit better one. This one seems to be sticking. But I'm going to get them all laid out here on this spot back here and they'll be good to go. This is going to take a while though because I got 12 of them and this has been painful. Alright, it goes up and down. Here we go. And it's just kind of that easy. Well, now I only got to do this like 10 more times. My back hurts already. This is a lot of work for some free granite curb. What was I thinking? I don't know. Look at that, perfect. I'm ready to become a regular granite setter. Whew. Okay, I got 3 pieces down. I got 9 to go or so. And you can see the process here. It's going to take the rest of the day. It's going to get dark here like in an hour, so I got to hustle on up and do it. But I've been fluid filming all day, and I'm going to run out of daylight, so I probably can't finish this project today. But here's just a quick video of how it works. It's windy and cold out here, and it's nasty. So there we go. I got the AA tow truck out and moved some granite curb. Hopefully you can hear me what you can say, because it's kind of windy out. But I got this done. I'm going to finish her up. And this is a cool old school action of using chain falls, AA's, winches, leverage, all kinds of awesome action to set this granite curb off the trailer here on the ground. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We put out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Hit the bell for alerts. Tell your friends. And as always, we'll see you right back here at the Quick Speed Shop for more craziness, hot rod builds, AA tow truck action, whatever else is going on here at the Quick Speed Shop. I gotta go, it's cold and nasty out. I'll see you later.